In today class, I will discuss about combinators in CSS. What is combinators? The combinator which describes the relation between the different types of the selectors in CSS. There are four types of the combinators in CSS: the descendant selector, child selector, the adjacent sibling selector, the general sibling selector. A descendant selector is represented as a space. The child selector as is represented as a greater than symbol. Adjacent sibling selector, which is represented as a plus symbol. The general sibling selector, which is represented as a negotiation symbol. I will discuss you one by one. What is descendant selector? First of all, I will discuss about the first one. The descendant selector is select the element which are the descendant of a particular element. That is called as the descendant. It must be all the descendant of a particular selected element, that is called as the descendant selector. I will move to the HTML code. Then forget about these statements. Just for your understanding purpose, I written. Then this is paragraph tag before the division. The division tag as used over here. Inside the division, the first paragraph I used, the second paragraph tag as used. Then H3 tag is there. Inside the H3, I used the paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 tag in div and in H3 tag. Then after the division also I used the paragraph tag. Then whenever you use the descendant selector, if you write the code, what are the styles do you want add? Div space p, because a descendant selector is represented as a space. Then what selector, what p is the descendant. Here the p is the descendant of the division. Okay, you are selecting the p element which are descendant of the division tag. The background color or color, the background color should be green. Then if you want to add any border, 2 pixel solid, it must be a solid. Then which color do you want? I would like to use yellow. Here what are the styles you are adding over here? Which is the descent, which are selecting the which element? P element. We are selecting the P elements which are descendant of the division tag. Okay, what are the descendant elements over here? The all these the paragraph, all P here 3 paragraphs which are the descendant of the division. What are the styles you are adding which is applicable to the all the descendant elements, but it is not applicable to the first before the division paragraph, after the division paragraph. Then I will save it. Then see here. Yeah. Here paragraph 1. What is the background color? What is the background color we used? Yeah, spelling mistakes. Yeah, great. Sorry to say. Then yeah, it's here. What are the styles we are adding which is not applicable to the paragraph tag before the division? Then paragraph tag after the division. Please remember it. Because here it is some text as displayed in the bold. The text size also changed because the paragraph tag as included in the H3 tag. That's why the text is little bit variant to compare with the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. This is called as the descendant. Whether it is a nested tag or not, but what are the tag which is there inside the division tag, which is a descendant, of a particular element. Okay, this is a simple example of the descendant selector. Then here, this is also descendant because the P is also descendant, but it is not a child of the division tag. Okay. Then I will move to the child selector. The child selector is select the element which are the child elements of a particular element. It must be a child elements of a particular element which is represented as a greater than symbol. In the same example, instead of space, I am using the greater than symbol. Here, what is the meaning of the statement is P must be a child element, immediate child elements of the division tag. You saw the previous descendant selector output, then we will see what is the difference. Then here, three paragraphs will be there. Then paragraph, the H3, inside the H3, another paragraph. But here, this paragraph tag is not a child element of the division. It is a nested. The H3 is a child element. The H3 is a child element of the division, but the paragraph tag is not a child element. See, yeah. Here, what are the styles we are adding? It is applicable to the paragraph tag within the division, the paragraph 2 tag within the division. The paragraph 3 tag, it is not a child element of the division tag, but it is a descendant element of the division, but it is not a child element of the division tag. Please understand, isn't it? That is the difference between descendant and child selector. When you come to here, do you understand the descendant selector and child selector? Then I will move to the adjacent sibling selector, which is represented as a plus. Then here, the plus symbol will be used over here. Then how do you select? It is represented as a plus symbol, which select the element which are the immediate element of the particular element, which are immediate selector or immediate element of a selected element, immediate element. Then what here? What is here? Then I would like to use another paragraph over here. Paragraph, suppose 4, paragraph 5. Then the styles div plus p. The p is immediate element of after the division. After the div element. Div element will be started here and it will be ended here. Immediate element of the after division. Which one is paragraph 4? The paragraph 5 is not immediate element. The paragraph 4 is the immediate element of the division tag. Then this is applicable. What are the styles we are adding over here? Which is applicable to the only paragraph 4, not other paragraph tags. We will see. Okay, what are the styles we are adding using the sibling selector, adjacent sibling selector, the third one. Here, the paragraph tag after division. Okay, then paragraph 5 is also after division, but it is not applicable. Why? Immediately element after, which one is the immediate element of after the division tag? The first paragraph, which will take the only, which will consider the only first paragraph. It does not consider the second paragraph. Paragraph 5 is not applicable. Then this is immediate element after the selected selector. That is called as the adjacent sibling selector. Then you come to the code, because division has ended over here. Which one is the immediate element after the division? Then first paragraph 4 is the immediate element. That's why this is the adjacent sibling selector. Then you come to the general sibling selector, which select all the elements after the specified selector. We select all the elements, because adjacent sibling selector is which select the only element after the selected element. But here general sibling selector which select all the elements which are selected after the specified element. Then we will say Instead of plus symbol, I would like to use this symbol. This is called as the general sibling selector symbol. Negotiation, div negotiation symbol, then P. Then which is these styles are applicable to the which paragraph element. Then which style is applicable to all the elements after the division. The division has ended over here. Then what are the elements are there? The two paragraphs are there, which is applicable to the what are the styles? We are declaring that styles are applicable to the two paragraphs. We will see. This is the previous example output. Just refreshing the page. Yeah. Here, whenever using the general sibling selector, which select all the elements after the selected element. Which element we selected over there? Division is the selected element. Then what are the elements are there after the division tag? Then that is styles are applicable to all the elements after the division. Okay, there are two paragraph tags are there after the division. Then the styles are applicable to the paragraph 4 and paragraph 5. Is it clear? There are 4 different types of the selectors in CSS. The descendant selector, child selector, adjacent sibling selector, the general sibling selector. Okay, if you have understand, if it is not understand, please connect me through chat box window or comment box window. Thank you one and all.